Hi there, my name is Brian Pendarvis and our company is Pendarvis Manufacturing. After 20 years in the machine shop and welding industry, my father started our company back in 1982. Through the years, all three of my brothers also worked alongside our father. In 1985, I came on board full time and have been here ever since. Fast forward about 30 years and my brothers had moved on across the country, and in 2015 I purchased the company from my folks as they retired to Arizona. A couple weeks back I was notified by the North Orange County Chamber of Commerce that Pendarvis Manufacturing is one of the companies in the area that had been selected to be honored at this year's annual Business Excellence and Leadership Awards dinner. This got me thinking about our place in the greater community and what part we have played through the years. On a company level, we have helped support local organizations financially, like Hoya Scholars comes to mind, and various children's sports teams in the community. And years back, our team at the shop helped both UC Irvine and Cal State Fullerton civil engineering departments with bridge projects they needed help on. On a more personal level, well, let me explain. I've been a part of Eastside Christian Church for several years. In the early 2000s, I took part of a men's group that we called Men's Fraternity. At the end of this 12-week class, each guy was given a keychain with these words engraved on it: reject passivity, accept responsibility, lead courageously, and expect God's reward. Now, I'm not here to tell you that one day something just happened. Nope, the biggest thing I learned on my journey is just to say yes more than you say no. And what this looks like to me is that I approach every opportunity I face as an opportunity to stretch and grow into my potential and also the potential of our company. With that said, I've spent some time reflecting recently on some of the opportunities I've had to say yes to more than no, and where they have taken me. On a company level, about 4 years ago, I spent a long afternoon learning about what we call Christians in the marketplace. Did you know that Southern California has the highest concentration of Christian business owners in the country? Well, my eyes were open that afternoon, and within a year, I was part of a fellowship of Christian business owners that met twice a month for a long lunch. Every meeting there was a study plan that, with the underlying purpose, was for us to be transformed by the Holy Spirit into the leaders that we're meant to be. During that time, I also reached out to an organization I found called Marketplace Chapman's. Let me explain a bit. A few years back, I was part of Eastside's Care and Recovery Ministry, and I know firsthand the importance of the mental, emotional, and spiritual health of our team. Our people show up to work every day and they bring all life with them. The good parts and, well, sometimes the sad parts, because life just happens. Our chaplains come by every week or so and are there to walk alongside our team if needed. And earlier this year, one of our chaplains started a leadership course with some of the staff at Pendarvis Manufacturing. I was also honored to be part of a small group series that my church put together a couple years back. This series focused on developing leaders within the congregation by teaching best practices that they developed through the years. So here we are, back at that email I received a couple weeks back from the Chamber. I'd like to thank the North Orange County Chamber for this honor. I want to thank the team of guys and gals that show up each day at Pendarvis Manufacturing to move the company forward. And especially I want to thank my parents for the courage to start this business 37 years ago. Remember, friends, say yes more than you say no. Thank you for your attention and your time.